Here, as you can see by the title of this video, we are talking about literal equations and formulas. Literal equations has more than one variable in it, and formulas have nothing but letters in it. It's like all letters, okay? So I want you to write down these two examples in your notes because I really feel like when students see variables, they think, oh, it's Chinese, and it's impossible, and they get totally confused. But I want you to see just how a regular two-step algebraic equation, okay, where we're only solving for one variable here, how both of them are just so similar, okay? So here we are going to be solving for the variable x, so I'm going to circle the x like I always do, and I'm going to circle the x on the right side, and I want you to see that we solve both sides exactly the same way. This ink is running out. Okay, I'm stepping on the mic. Okay. So we solve both sides exactly the same way, even though this is a regular two-step algebraic equation, and this is a formula where it's all letters. So watch what happens. What are the two steps we would have to do to solve for x in this equation? Well, we would have to subtract 3 and divide by 2. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to subtract, okay, no ink. Okay, so we're going to subtract 3 from both sides, and then we bring down our 2x equals 3. Okay, well, now let's take a look over here. We would do exactly the same thing because we would have to do the opposite of what we were given. So obviously we would have to subtract b from both sides. So let's do that now. Bring down our ax. And the major difference between this side and this side is because these are letters, we can't actually do c minus b, okay? So it just stays exactly that because you can't actually do c minus b. So what we write is c minus b, okay? And then on this side, in order to solve for x, because we still haven't solved for x yet, so go ahead and circle the x. So to get this x all by itself, we have to do the opposite of what we were given here. So the opposite of 2 times x is division, okay? So we would divide by 2 on both sides. And here we would have our final answer of x equals 3/2. Okay, so perfectly fine, perfectly fine. Now let's come over here. So this is what we have right now, okay? And again, we still haven't solved for x yet, and this is a times x, and you want to do the opposite of what you were given. So the opposite of multiplication is division. What do we want to divide by? We want to divide by what we want to move, and since we want to get the x all by itself, we want to move the a to the other side, so that's what we're going to be dividing by. So you're going to divide by a on both sides, and then we bring down our x, and then x is equal to exactly this. We can't actually do c minus b divided by a, so it stays exactly that. C minus b divided by a is our final answer. And the reason why I wanted to do this one particular video is because I wanted to show you just how similar regular algebraic equations are to literal equations and formulas. That's it. That's it.